Hello, I'm Pauline Wiles and I would love to introduce you to a website technology that has changed the way I look at web design. Card.co. Card has been around since 2016. It's a United States company based in Tennessee, and I think it's one of the best kept secrets in websites today. Card is a platform to design and host sleek but stunning websites. 4 reasons why I particularly love it. Number 1, the platform really encourages us to keep our web design simple and sleek. I truly believe that by thinking hard about every single element on your website, you end up with a much more powerful and impactful result. Secondly, if you work with me, I will apply my design skills to make sure that your website looks completely beautiful. However, I think it's fair to say that even if you work on your own, your card website will look pretty good right out of the box. And another point, it's important these days that your website looks good and works well, not just on a full-size computer screen, but also on a smaller mobile device. Card does a wonderful job of what's called responsive design, so that if somebody looks at your website on a tablet or their phone, everything is just as it should be. And the icing on the cake, really, Card is surprisingly affordable. I'll say more about that in just a moment. So, how to know if Card might be right for you? Card is a wonderful choice if you want a simple but stunning website. Depending on your comfort level with technology, you can expect to make most of your updates and edits yourself. Card's features do vary with pricing plan, but you could expect to have around 5 pages on your site, links to any other content that you'd like your visitors to know about, and of course links to your social media accounts. You can embed videos, contact forms, and so on. What you don't get with Card is clutter. So Card is not for you if you want to add lots and lots of content. It's not suitable for blogging. So do know that you can write articles for another site like Medium and link to them, but you won't be blogging from within your own Card site. And because you're keeping your content fairly simple and minimal, don't expect lots of drop-down menus and a complicated site structure. Card really is wonderful for keeping things simple and sleek and pared back. Card has a free plan, which is a pretty good choice if you're just getting started. That will bring you a domain name, so a website address that ends in card.co, and a very small card credit at the bottom. You won't be stuck with ugly banners or advertising or some of the things that the other website providers give you when they give you a free plan. However, most of my clients do choose to upgrade to a paid plan with Card. That is surprisingly affordable. Right now, the plan that I recommend for most of my clients costs just $19 US, that's 19, per year. If you've looked into other options, you'll know that's the kind of fee that some website providers charge you per month. And really, Card can offer you that affordability because everything about the way your site is structured is designed for simplicity. Your next steps, if you'd like to move forward, I hope you'll check out some examples of Card websites that I have online. And if you'd like to discuss me working on your website project, go ahead and schedule a free consultation call with me. My calendar's online, so you can find a time that suits you. The address to get your time slot is bit.ly/Pauline Wiles. I think Card is a wonderful website option, and I hope you'll check it out.